Hi, my name is Jennifer, and our project today is pressure washing a driveway or a sidewalk. This can make a huge difference in how your property looks. It's important to do this once, maybe twice a year. Anytime that you get algae on any type of concrete that you have outside, this really helps take it off, and it also takes off any unwanted and unnecessary dirt. Most of the time, your pressure washer will come with a list of instructions. The first step is to simply unscrew the lid off the gas tank and slowly tilt it forward to fill it up. Next, attach the garden hose. Next, attach the pressure hose. The pressure hose has little balls inside, and so when you pull back on it, this is how you'll attach it securely. So you pull back, slip it over, make sure it's on securely, and then release. Then attach the gun to the pressure hose. Turn on the water supply. Squeeze the trigger to the gun to purge air from the pump. And then water should start coming out of the nozzle once all the air has escaped. And once we've purged all the air, we can then attach our nozzle. Just hold it until you have a nice steady flow of water. The longer the hose, the more air you may possibly have. There are all different types of nozzles that should come with your pressure washer. And as you can see here, it'll give a demonstration of the stream that it will provide, that nozzle will provide. And the wider the nozzle, for instance, this one forms a really wide angle on the water. The wider the nozzle, the less powerful the stream will be. Select the nozzle that you choose to use for your job. In this case, I will use a medium nozzle to do concrete. Pointing the hose away from you, insert the nozzle. It's very important to make sure it's on securely. Try to pull it to see if it'll come off. Otherwise, it may shoot out at somebody or ricochet off and hit you when you start pressure washing. Set your nozzle down and let's start the engine. The first step in starting the engine is turning on the throttle. Most pressure washers will have a throttle. It may look like this one or like something else. Turn the throttle on. Once we have the throttle on, we'll turn the gas on. Now it's time to start our engine. This usually takes a little bit of force. As soon as the engine starts, turn off the throttle. Anytime you pull the trigger, point the nozzle away from you and others, and be careful that the nozzle does not ricochet and hit you. Always wear safety goggles when pressure washing. Debris and dirt can easily fly up into your eye. Typically, you'll want to hold the tip a few inches away from the ground. Hold the pressure washer close to the ground for tough stains, or hold it farther away just for your regular dirt. Be careful, the closer you hold the pressure washer to the ground, it could cause holes in the concrete. Be careful not to hit the hose of your pressure washer or your feet. This could cause damage to either. Pressure washing can be very messy. It can ruin your clothes and spray dirt all over your house, your driveway, and yourself. Just be aware of this. To shut off the pressure washer, turn off the engine, turn off the water supply, Then squeeze the trigger to the gun to relieve system pressure. Remove the garden hose from the pressure washer. Turn the fuel valve off if it's required. Remove the nozzle. Remove the pressure hose. Drain the water out of the hose. Your pressure washer now can be rinsed off and ready for storage.